Can dogs eat bananas? Yes, dogs can eat bananas in moderation. Bananas are a good source of vitamins such as vitamin C and vitamin B6 and minerals such as potassium and magnesium for dogs, as they are for humans. They are also low in cholesterol and sodium, but high in natural sugars. Are bananas good for dogs? In moderation. Bananas can be a healthy treat for dogs. The nutrients in bananas can contribute to the overall health of a dog by providing essential vitamins and minerals. Can dogs eat banana peels? No, dogs should not eat banana peels. Although not toxic, banana peels are hard to digest and can cause a blockage in a dog's intestinal tract. They might also contain pesticides or other chemicals unless they are organic and washed thoroughly. Is banana good for dogs? Bananas are good for dogs as an occasional treat. They should not replace a significant portion of a dog's regular diet. How much banana can a dog eat? The amount of banana a dog can eat depends on the dog's size and overall diet. A few small pieces of banana can be a good treat. However, because of the high sugar content, banana should be given sparingly to avoid obesity and other health issues. Can puppies eat bananas? Yes. Puppies can eat bananas, but in even smaller quantities than adult dogs. Their digestive systems are more sensitive, so it's important to introduce any new food slowly and in tiny amounts. Are bananas bad or unsafe for dogs? Bananas are not inherently bad or unsafe for dogs, but they can be unhealthy in large amounts due to their sugar content. Overfeeding bananas can lead to weight gain and potentially contribute to diabetes. Can dogs have banana peels? As mentioned earlier, dogs should not have banana peels due to the risk of intestinal blockage and potential difficulty in digestion. What if a dog ate banana peel? If a dog ate a banana peel, it might pass without issue, but there is a risk of gastrointestinal upset or blockage. Monitor your dog for any signs of distress, and if you notice anything concerning, contact your veterinarian. Are banana peels toxic to dogs? Banana peels are not toxic to dogs, but they are not advisable to feed to your dog and can cause digestive issues. General guidelines for feeding bananas to dogs. Moderation. Use bananas as a treat, not as a staple in their diet. Size appropriation. Adjust the amount of banana according to the size of the dog. Peel removal. Always remove the peel before giving bananas to your dog. Monitor for allergies. As with any new food, start with a small amount to ensure your dog isn't allergic. Balanced diet. Ensure that the addition of bananas does not unbalance your dog's overall diet. Conclusion. Bananas can be a healthy treat for dogs when given appropriately. They should be served in moderation. Always watch for any adverse reactions when introducing new foods into your dog's diet. If your dog has eaten a banana peel, or if you have any concerns about your dog's health and diet, consult with a veterinarian.